The concept behind our services, in the broader sense of Energy Services Partnership, is really to provide any aspect to do with energy for our clients. So whatever query they might have, whether it's they require increased capacity at the site, or they just want somebody to procure their energy at the most competitive rate, whether they want sub-metering installing for CRC requirements, whatever that might be, they can come to us and we will work that through for them, as well as looking at energy efficiency, load management, and any aspect to do with their energy on site. Short-term operating reserve is the service that is provided in relation to National Grid. National Grid maintain the overall network, the electrical network within the UK. And at times they require clients to provide service to them whereby they take load off the network. Customers can do this in one of two ways. They can either turn their load off so that they just don't use as much electricity, or if they have on-site backup generation, often in the form of diesel generation, but it can be any form of generation, they can switch that generation on. And effectively then, because they've switched to diesel, it means they've taken the load off the local network. And for that, they are financially rewarded by the grid, and obviously there's an environmental benefit as well, because it's assisting the grid in managing, it's assisting National Grid in managing the grid. We're here really today to raise a sort of companies' awareness and organisations' awareness that store is available. Previously there was a constraint in terms of a 3 megawatt limit. That 3 megawatt limit exists, but now through people such as ourselves, aggregators, people with a smaller amount of load are able to participate and benefit from the scheme. So we can aggregate or collect together lots of different organisations and companies to hit the 3 megawatt limit, and then they too can be rewarded through their involvement.